Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kirani. I'm from PBL Room Access Control using RFID with the project manager, Mr. Hajrul Khaira STR.com. Our team consists of 12 members, which is Amira Afika Ardi, Kirani or me as a leader, Najla Syifa Atira, Suwarna Warajasa, Mulyadi, Nazma Nabila, Putri Nurul A'la, Vicky Noval, Andiani Putri, Abu Muhammad, Rena Marcella, and Azman. Okay, background of this study. Room in Polybatam still using conventional logs, which is not centralized in one server and cannot record the user data that enter and leave the room. So in this PBL, we make a room access system that can be accessed via website and can record real-time user data. So this PBL will solve the problem that I mentioned before. Okay, what is the research problem of this PBL? So the research problem is how to make a room access system that's centralized on one server using RFID and can be accessed via website. Okay, the purpose of the study is to produce a security and room control system using web-based RFID that can record real-time traces of user data when leaving and entering the room, and facilitating controlling room access rights with the appropriate schedule and capacity. Okay, what is the benefits of the study? This PBL is beneficial for all interest parties on the Polybatam campus, such as lecturers, students, and the campus community in accessing and borrowing the room. Okay, next slide will be explained by Putri. Please, Putri.
Okay, next I will explain about the literature review or theoretical base. The first is an RFID chart, which is a chart that has an RFID tag or label embedded. Second, RFID divided into two, namely active tag that use a battery and passive tag without using a battery. Third, RFID reader. There are two kinds of RFID reader, namely passive reader, PRIT, and active reader, IRPT. Next. Okay, fourth, antenna function to receive and send RF signal. Then there are the device used for RFID chart. First, modulora. Second, buzzer. Third, LDR. Fourth, LED. 5 resistors. 6 passive button. 7 jumper cable. 8 breadboard. 9 not MCU EPS. 8266. Then HCSR 501 promotion sensor. Okay, next. Okay, 5 software Laravel. Laravel is universal development environment for PHP, Node.js, Python, Java, Go, and Ruby. 6 Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a shortcut editor that runs on the desktop and is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. 7 PHP programming. PHP programming language used to develop and from access control website is PHP. Next. Lalu next, there is research methodology. The project will be developed using the PIDI methodology of agile development. Here are first planning, second analysis, third design, fourth implementation, and last presentation. Okay. Next will be explained by Amira.
Product description. RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification. RFID is a wireless identification system that allows data retrieval without having to touch, such as barcodes and magnetic cards such as ATM. Implementation. A. System application model. The working principle of this room control system is as follows. Initially, all user must have an identity card on campus which is integrated with the chip and already contains the RFID number data. This RFID number will be used as the identity of each card and has been recorded on the room access control website along with the user personal data. The personal data consists of name, nickname, class, username, email, and position. This personal data will be entered into the database through the website by the admin. Next. Hardware implementation or IoT. Implementation of room or classroom access data recording device with RFID web base composed of RFID, NetMCU, microserver, buzzer, and laptop as a server. C. Software implementation. Software is used to support the operating system and database applications. Next. The software required for this project consists of the software need to configure the tools and the software used to develop the web access control website as follows: Laragon, Visual Studio Code, Adobe Illustrator, Arduino software, Laravel, and PHP programming. Next slide will be explained by Rain.
Okay, here I will explain the operations of the web design we create. This design we create using Adobe Illustrator application. The design we make contain simple elements and easy to understand. Some of the design looks we are made. The start page is login. Next is dashboard. Next, and we have user and class design. Next, we have room and schedule design. Next, launch and check room designs. Next, and this is a mobile design. Furthermore, in the display of mobile design, there is no significant difference between mobile design and web design. Only the size of adjust to the size of the font. The number of web page created is also the name as a web design. A start page like login, home, users, next, classes, rooms, next, schedule, and launch. And the last is check room. Okay, next slide will be explained by Abu Muhammad.
Okay, thank you, Rena. In this slide, it displays the implementation of web design HTML. The picture number 1 is a login page, and the second picture is dashboard. Next. Okay, the third picture is a user page, and the fourth is classes page. And the fifth is room page, and the sixth is schedule, launch, and check room page. Okay, in this slide we'll be explaining by Diki. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Abu. This is a web display that can be accessed by the admin, which function to control and monitor room access right. This admin website consists of login, dashboard, next, users, classes, next, rooms, schedule, and launch and check room. Okay, next slide will be displayed by, which will be explained by Noval. Thank you.
Okay, implementation web user. This section is web display that users can access, which consists of a login to enter the web. Okay, next. Dashboard to view available rooms and launch to borrow a room to be accessed. Okay, the next. Asman, the next slide.
Okay, thank you, Noval. In this slide, there is the design team, Reina, Abu, and Nazma. Next. First, Reina Marcela makes check room, class, rooms, user schedule, and home launch or mobile page design and making poster. Next. Abu Muhammad makes check room, class, rooms, user schedule, home, launch page, and design or mobile, or and last, demo video editing. Next. Last, Nazma Nabila makes check room, class, room, user, home, launch, or web page design and check room, classes, room, user, schedule, home, launch, page, and design or mobile. Next will be explained by Lala.
Backend team. Member contribution. The first is Kirani. Discussing the ERD diagram, making ERD diagram, create database tables according to ERD diagram, create models and controller for check room, class, room, schedule, user, and home. Making PowerPoints, making final report, demo video dubbing, making demo video script. Next, Amira discussing the role of ERD diagram, making ERD diagram, create database tables according to ERD diagram, create models and controller for check room, class, room, schedule, user, and home, making PowerPoints, and making final report. Next, Rizky Dewangga discussing the ERD diagram, creating models and control room, creating API, taking demo video picture. Vicky Nova discussing the ERD diagram, Andiani Putri discussing the ERD diagram, creating a logbook, making final report, making webcasting script. The next slide will be explained by Yadi.
Thank you, Lala. Here I will explain the IoT team part. Member contribution, Mulyadi, tool in the nutrition and the explantation. Peer learning and experiment and not MCU, buzzer and LED. Next, Najla Sifa, tool introduction and explanation. Peer learning and experiment and not MCU, buzzer and LED. The Najla and Mulyadi session have the same duty. Next, Azman learn the finger spot tool, the tool and apply installing the default fingerspot application, learn about the feature in fingerspot, editing presentation video, Fitrino Allah, making an evaluation PowerPoint, creating and logbook, making final report. Okay, next will explain Najla.
Okay, conclusion and suggestion. Based on the result that a room security and control system has been produced using RFID, which can be accessed through the website, so the student can borrow rooms by logging in using a learning account because the system is also connected to LDAP Polybatam. The success rate for this project is 95%, with several obstacles, and there are parts that have not been complicated, such as one, there has not been a merger between the HTML website designs that match the concept with the finished website. Number two, the website has not been unified with configured RFID device because the API is still not fully complicated. Three, the website has not been connected to the server. Okay, next. Suggestion for the better result in development and implementation of the resulting system, the following suggestions are given. The tools are reproduced and adapt to the existing room in Polybatam. Multiplication of RFID cards according to the number of users. Admin can input and update room data, schedule, class, and user data on website carefully. Okay, next will be explained by Kirani.
Okay, thank you, Najla. So this is the documentation of our PBL. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, everyone.